Hi there, in this video I will show you how to set up Webtoolsbd extension and access the tools. First, you need to go our website webtoolsbd.com. After that, then go to the client area. Then you can see login dashboard here. So you can put your login details here and click login. And if you don't have any account, then sign up your account first. Okay, now you can see this is our dashboard. In this dashboard you can see all of these tools which you purchased from us, and if you don't see any tools here, then you need to purchase tools from buy and renew tools. Here you can see the tools and you can purchase, or you can contact us for purchasing tools. Okay, so now how to access the tools. So firstly, for accessing the tools you need to set up our extension. So for setting extension, I'm checking you first that without extension you are unable to access the tools. First I am going to SEMrush Guru. This one is only the tools that you can access without extension. Here just click the access button and you can access easily. See, I am clicking access button. Now SEMrush is loading. So if I want to use another tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly here, so then you can see, please download this extension first. So you need to set up our extension first for accessing the tools. Okay, so how to set up the extension? For set up the extension you need to go extension page. Okay, you can see set up our extension here and click this extension page, and you can see a download button here for downloading the extension. So I am clicking the download. So my extension is downloading. Yes, download completed. Now click this three dot button from your Chrome browser, then go to the extension, hover on the extension menu, then click manage extension. So you can see interface like that. So now how to set up the extension which you download. First you need to enable this developer mode. I am clicking and enable it. After that, click the download file which I downloaded. Just drag and drop it here. Simply just drag and drop it here. So extension will be arrived here. You can see Webtoolsbd version 1.5 extension will be here. So after completing this process, your extension setup will completely done. If you facing the issue when you setting extension that this does not work, then you need to use another policy. I am showing you how to do that. After completed download, you go to your download section. Then this is my downloaded file. So I am creating a folder here, Webtoolsbd extension. Now I move this file to this folder. Okay, now I am extract here the file. Now you can see the file. Now after that, in this dashboard you can click load unpack folder and just click download and select the folder which you created for uploading the extension. Select and upload the folder. The extension will be here. Okay, so after successfully installing the extension, then go to the dashboard. Now you can use any of the tools from your dashboard which you have access. Now I am trying to use SEMrush, this one special, which is extension based. Now you can see there is no download button here now, or I'm showing you another tools also. Now I am showing you ChatGPT, which was the problem. Now you can see ChatGPT also fine. There has a access button now. So when I am clicking the access button, it's automatically redirect me to ChatGPT Premium here. Okay, as like that for other tools in the dashboard, when I am trying to access Grammarly AI and writing, when I am trying to access Grammarly Premium, you can see same process. Just click the Grammarly and click access button, then you will automatically log in Grammarly Premium. In that way you can access all of these our premium tools easily. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question or you want to know anything about our support, so you can contact here through our WhatsApp, or you can contact where we already talked before, then we can support you further. Thank you so much.